A very good morning, class. Today we are here to talk about the drought. What is drought? What is drought-prone conditions or drought-prone areas? It's basically when an area receives less of rainfall, there is less of rainwater. That area falls under the category of drought-prone area. The area which is not blessed with good rain is known to be a drought-prone area. Drought may be defined as a period of usually prolonged and dry weather in such areas where the rain is otherwise normally expected. In such areas where the rain is normally expected, but that does not happen as such, and they fall under the category of the drought-prone areas. Now we have to understand why the particular area is not blessed with rain, why it is that there is an insufficiency of rainwater. Why does the nature does not play an equal role or the same role in every place? There must be some factors which would be affecting that. So factors affecting the occurrence of drought is our new topic for the day, is our topic which we need to understand. What are the factors which affect the drought-prone areas? Why the drought takes place on a particular area? So the first point is, the first and foremost cause of drought is prolonged scarcity of rainfall, due to which the scarcity of water, food, fodder and unemployment develops drastically. See, it's all based on the water only. If there is no water, no life. All human activities are based on water only. Because whatever activity that a human being performs is on the basis of water only. If there is no water, no life is believed to be sustainable. All the food, fodder and the employment, all are concerned with water only. Means if we have the water, we can feed ourselves, we can grow the food products, and we can have the employment opportunities. But just imagine your life without water for a minute, you will understand the importance of it. From morning to evening, from dusk to dawn, our activities begins with the water only. From morning activity to all throughout the day activities, the water plays a prominent role and important role. So without water, we cannot imagine our life. Our life would be impossible to survive. The second cause is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Deforestation again results into imbalance of the natural and human environment. Means there is a imbalance in the ecological balance is not maintained due to deforestation. What happens when we plant more and more trees, and whenever there is a rainfall in a particular area, the water that falls on the land is absorbed by the plants and the trees. But due to the absence of plants, the water passes on and that area remains a dry land. So, afforestation or planting of trees should be followed by all without any discrimination, without any difficulties. If we want to sustain, if we want to have life, if we want to maintain the level of water, what we got to do is plant more and more of trees. All the major changes that takes place, whether it's a change in the climate, whether it's a global warming, all is a result of deforestation only. The deforestation has created many bigger problems for us, but we human beings are not able to recognize it. We are least bothered about these problems because we have never been taught, we have never been told that we are facing the problem due to less number of trees or due to deforestation. The third point is excessive use of groundwater. Whatever sources of water is there at your home, in your house, you just check it out whether you are using it as per the need or you are wasting it. If you are wasting it, that means you are inviting a drastic future for you and your family members and your society members. So water should be used in the most efficient manner and best possible use should be made. The The fourth is, it is also pointed out that global warming has begun to produce drought conditions. Global warming causes change in the rainfall pattern. I told you all the changes in the atmosphere, changes in the climatic conditions, changes in the environment is all due to the deforestation only, is all due to the global warming only. Global warming has caused a bigger problems for all of us. It is difficult for a newborn baby to survive in this atmosphere. The life has become hell. If we move to the metropolitan city, overcrowded it has become, less of trees are there, less of area or barren land is there, wherein the production can be done. So, as a result, it has become difficult to survive in those metropolitan cities. Recently, you must have seen about the Delhi that odd and even policy is followed if on one day, on one particular day, odd number of cars will move out, vehicles will move out, run on the roads. On the second day, the even number vehicles will run on the roads. So that was planned basically to decrease the pollution level, so that the importance of life can be recognized and efficiency can be increased. And last point is, there is too much pressure on the land. Means the land which can be used for the cultivation purpose has drastically decreased because the population has increased. People require houses to settle in, to live in, so they are decreasing the area of production or decreasing the land wherein the production can take place. So that is another major drawback of this, and that has resulted to drought conditions and to major severe problems which results into humans' inefficiency to survive on this planet. So the solution of it is afforestation, that is planting of more and more of green trees. First. Second is, we can have reservoirs or we can have a reserve at our home wherein the water can be stored, wherein the water can be used for other purposes. That is called rainwater harvesting. So rainwater harvesting is a step that the government has made it compulsory in some of the states, wherein every individual has to follow, every house has to follow. Means wherever the main outlet of the house is, there are pits should be constructed wherein the water gets soaked up so that the groundwater level is not decreased. It maintains the groundwater level. I hope you will practice this and you will learn this. Thank you, class.